Hi everyone, Miss Akimoto here with your writing mini lesson for Tuesday, October 20th. So yesterday we learned about revising and today we're going to actually start revising. So remember, revising is when you read over your essay and you look at what you wrote and you see if there's anything you need to change to make your essay sound really nice. And we're going to use ARMS to revise. So just a reminder, ARMS is adding, checking to see if there's any information that you need to add into your essay to make it make sense. Removing, seeing if there's any extra information, things that you said more than once, things you don't need to say, making sure that you don't have any extras in your essay. Moving, is there anything you need to move around in your essay to make things make more sense? And then substituting, which is if you have a word you've used over and over and over again, maybe finding a synonym for that so that you're not just saying the same thing over and over again. The same thing's also true about sentence structure. You want to make sure that you start all your sentences kind of differently. You don't want to say, and then this happened, then this happened, then this happened, then this happened. If you start every sentence with then, your reader's going to get tired of reading before they finished your essay. So let's talk about our essay. So I'm going to go into my masterpiece right. And the first step for revising, now that we're done with our essay, you need to give it a snazzy title. Do not just call it Masterpiece Right Number 2. You would never read a book that was called Mystery Novel 4. You'd be like, boring. Stories need to be interesting, just like book titles need to be interesting. So think of something that really kind of would capture your audience's imagination to make them want to read. So I'm thinking about this and I'm thinking about how this whole essay is about me reaching my goal of becoming a teacher and how nowadays mostly only teachers are called Mr. and Mrs. Miss. So I think I'm going to call my essay Becoming Miss Akimoto because this was like the day that I became a teacher. So Becoming Miss Akimoto is my title. Now, I'm going to spare you guys me just reading through my essay multiple times, but I need you to know I did not revise my entire essay in the span of this 3-4 minute video. Before this, I read through it multiple times and I found things I wanted to change. So I'm just going to share two of the things I revised with you to show you kind of how it works. So one of these things was this line where I say, I just got a message from the principal of the school I want to work at. I had to call back and leave a message, but what if she's calling me to tell me I didn't get the job? And then everyone reassured me that doesn't happen. She must be calling with good news. I don't like it. I don't like how it flows. It feels choppy. It feels weird. I don't like it. So I need to think about how can I revise that? And I think what the problem is, I'm trying to say she is not bad news, it's good news. So I think I just want to take this out. I want to remove this. So everyone reassured me she must be calling with good news. So I think that just flows so much better, especially because, and I'm going to unhighlight this, especially because this sentence is really long and has a lot to it. I think this one needs to be shorter. So that's why I revised that. The other thing I didn't really like was this. I was worried that Mrs. Aldred could hear my heart pounding all the way through the phone. I don't like it. I think I want to just take away this all the way and just say, could hear my heart pounding through the phone. That just, it feels a little simpler and a little bit more refined. So that's what I'm going to change there. Now, you're probably not going to go through and highlight things and then change them. Read through it, change things as you go. That's what I did. I moved some things around. I took some things out. I made some synonyms. That's what we're doing today. We're just looking for, does it flow well? So go through, really read it through a couple times. Remember to read it out loud because your brain is going to read it the way you think it should be rather than what it actually is. Read it out loud, take your time, revise it. This is your masterpiece. You want it to be perfect. Come back tomorrow for editing. Bye.